Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Business Every Day. My name is Jonathan, and today we're going to be continuing with workshop upgrades. I got some more wire, and so I will be finishing the can light install that we started a little while ago, along with adding some more standard LED shop lights. I got a couple of lights that were already here when I bought the house, but the bulbs have been long since burnt out, and the fixtures themselves are probably 30 years old. So we're going to go with the modern version. So one, to give us more light for the projects that we are doing, and also so that you guys can see better on film what I'm actually doing. So no more shadows, no more clouded areas. The whole point is to produce enough light so it's one, good for me so I can see what's going on, but also good for you and you can see as well. So let's get to installing more lights, knocking down some cobwebs, and making this shop an even better place to create and do our business every single day. Let's go. That's more like it. Lots more lights. Yes. Well, that is a wrap, my friends. We have spent the last few hours trying to get everything sorted. There's still so much more to do, but the lights are in. Everything's been vacuumed, at least the initial vacuuming. A lot of things have been moved around, thrown away, consolidated, all of that good stuff. But we are really now prepared to do some things. It's exciting and a little daunting, but we're going to make the most of it. I still got to figure out what I'm going to do in this shop long term in regards to the ceiling, insulation, cabinetry, hanging things on the walls, dehumidification. I got to seal my exterior door better. But for the moment, this is so much better than what it was with just how everything is illuminated, and now I have access to tools better. I need to still put up my shelves for the X-Carve. I need to assemble the vacuum dust collection system. I got the Z-Probe to calibrate, and then some projects to get done. It's been good. So, join me next time, and we will continue to make improvements and doing some business every single day. And yeah, I have been super encouraged by your responses and your interest in everything that I'm doing. So thank you, and stay tuned for more.